In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. If important messages keep landing in your spam folder, don't worry, Gmail can learn your preferences. By reinforcing what's legitimate and telling Gmail who you trust, you'll help make sure the right emails reach your inbox. First, start by training Gmail's filter. Open Gmail and look for the spam folder on the left sidebar. If you don't see it, click More to expand the list. Open the spam folder, find any email that clearly shouldn't be there, and click Not Spam or Report as Not Spam. This does two things: it moves that message back to your inbox and teaches Gmail that similar messages should be delivered normally in the future. The more consistently you correct these mistakes, the better Gmail gets at understanding what you want. Next, add trusted senders to your contacts. Gmail treats messages from people in your contacts as safer and more likely to be wanted. Open an email from a sender you trust, click their name, and choose the option to add them to contacts. You can also add contacts through Google Contacts directly. This simple step signals to Gmail that messages from this address are important and helps prevent them from being flagged as spam. For stronger control, create a filter that tells Gmail never to send certain emails to spam. Click the gear icon, go to See All Settings, then open the Filters and Block Addresses tab. Create a new filter and enter the sender's email address in the From field, or use a whole domain if you trust all emails from that organization, like at example.com. Click Create Filter, check the box that says Never Send it to Spam, and save. From now on, any new message that matches this rule will skip the spam folder automatically. Finally, make it a habit to review your spam folder occasionally and adjust as needed. Even with solid filters, a good quick scan every so often catches any stragglers. If you spot a legitimate email, mark it as not spam and, if it keeps happening, create or refine a filter for that sender or domain. Over time, these small corrections reinforce your preferences and keep your inbox cleaner and more reliable. That's it. Mark as not spam, add trusted senders to contacts, set up a protective filter, and review your spam now and then. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.